This is for all the fathers out there. Happy Father's Day, folks. Okay, what I've got a picture of a father and his son, and I'm just going to add a black and white adjustment layer to that, and then I'm going to add another adjustment layer, which is that's just a brightness and contrast one. I'm just going to increase the contrast a little bit, and then I'm going to choose the quick object selection tool and just drag it over my subjects, and then click select and mask. Once I'm happy with the settings, make sure you've got decontaminate colors ticked and click OK, and then from there you want to drag on your background image and just drag that to the top like so, and then press Ctrl or Command and T and just expand it so it's the full size of your artboard or your canvas, I should say, and reapply your clip and mask to your two adjustment layers and also your background layer, and it'll look like that. And then just add a mask to that, and make sure you've got like a soft brush. Your flow wants to be about 18 to 20, and then just with the black highlighter for your foreground color, just paint away the faces and just a little bit of the body. Take your time. You can paint the background back in by clicking X on your keyboard and brushing that back in. Then when you're happy, you'll have an image that looks like that. Happy Father's Day, and like and follow for more.